Hello again guys! So as a mother po tayo for today's episode. So today is my son's first field trip and syempre kinahanglan man na parent mo uban. So ako jud ni volunteer guys. And here we are on our way sa first stop of the day which is the Davao Butterfly House. I mean, I've lived in Davao City all my life pero karon lang jud ko kabalo na naday place na ingani. And this one is located lang pag yud duol lang kay sa Crocodile Park. Syempre kung naay butterfly dapat naa jud ang caterpillar kay dira man gikan ang butterfly, diba? Ganan ko sa colors pero kung tan-awon mo murag katul man kaayo ay charot. And naapot sila yung mga like scorpions in a bottle or spiders ba ni or I don't know. Actually, wala ko kabuloon sa ni pero ako alang yung video kay Nai siya tanawon. So of course, there is also a small talk about the life cycle of a butterfly which was really educational by the way. Mura kong nag-refresher course sa science. Then ni-add to me there sa likod unya guys, naghanjud kayo butterflies as in. I saw mostly mga like black-brown combination of butterflies. They were so cute. In fairness guys, nalingaw ko sa butterfly house. Afterwards, nibalik ni sa bus para magmerienda kadali and on to our next stop which is the Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Of course, no, it's a given among yun guys because this park right here, dagan jud kay kag matun-an. This is Kuya Mark by the way. Tama ba? Murag Kuya Mark man jud to yung pangalan ba? But anyway, yes, so nag-walk na me around and then we saw pangil. Grabe din niya kadako gyud as then we saw this iguana and then naapoy mga monkeys. And guys, this is orange by the way. So orangutan din na siya. And we were told lang by Kuya Mark to just keep an eye on orange kay sometimes na siya mood swings. Charot. Pero bitaw, just be careful with orange. There were also birds and just basically daghan jud kayog animals there is a Crocodile Park guys. I forgot unsa name ani na bird pero kana medyo scary daw ni siya na bird. So please comment if you know. And naapot sila yung mga turtles dire. Of course guys, Crocodile Park is not Crocodile Park without crocodiles. Ha unsa daw, but you get what I mean. So there were so many crocodiles of all shapes and sizes here. And dire jud nalingaw akong anak guys sa koi fish feeding na activity. So for 50 pesos tagaan mo anang small na packet. And pwede na kaayo ninyo pakanon ang mga fish. So naay ka ng murag pond dira na puno og koi. Sa pud ka activity na naganahan ako anak is the rabbit feeding. So tagaan mo carrot for 50 pesos and at this point medyo na-realize ako anak na luoy man pud ang other rabbits. So nag-move siya to another area and nag-feed siya og lain na rabbits. And makita gid ako guys na genuinely happy kay akong anak while feeding the rabbits. So this is really a nice activity for the kids. Last activity is the cultural show and parade of animals or murag animal show nila. By the way, this bread from Hayashi Breads is so good. I don't know unsa tawag ani pero kung kabalo mo please comment it guys kay mo palit jud ko ani next time. Gihatag lang mo guni sa teachers ako anak. So anyway, so the show started with a cultural dance which was really nice by the way as in. Even ako ang anak ganahan kay mag-watch and then next was the parade of animals which is wala ko'y video and the animal show proper which was very fun you guys. As in lingaw kay siya pero ang akong anak murag at some point gikapoy na siya so murag katulgo na kay siya diri pero nabuhayan siya loob katunig ask ko if do you want to take a picture with the snake? Ana siya mama yes. Agoy guys kung kabalo mo happy ko gikabuhi ani gikulbaan jud ko. Now it's time to go home guys pero first things first ako asang gipalitan ng ako ang anak kog ice cream kay nangayo man siya. And at this point namalik na mi ni saka na mi sa bus para mo balik na mi sa school sa ako ang anak. Kay didto man sad ang drop off point. So that basically sums up my son's first field trip. Overall it was such a great experience. I am so thankful na naka-leave ko sa work para ma-experience ni with him. And I'm looking forward sa next charot. Next year na siguro girl. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye-bye!